I am a blue xenomorph. My babies will come popping out of women.
Oh, I hate this map.
I love how aliens like I hate this map like totally unrelated to that, and then Kim just comes out of nowhere and is like, wait.
I love the delayed reaction.
Yeah, that was weird, guys.
It's
My babies
I
will
get-
just start
I
busting
get what
out
he's
of women's
I
vaginas.
didn't say that. I just said they're coming busting out of women.
What do you
I
think
get-
they
I
bust
get
out
you.
of?
Well, I mean, the xenomorphs' babies popped out of the chest.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
chest section in this case.
You know, calm.
Two things. One, I don't know what the hell.
You don't know what a xenomorph is?
Oh.
No, I had sex with girls.
Seen the movie Alien, though?
No, it's not.
Yeah, I was
It's
having
from
sex
Alien.
with girls during.
Oh, okay.
It has nothing to do with that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you're straight or gay. They be busting out of
No,
everybody.
I just mean that instead of, you know.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Lag. Holy shit. And oh my god, I got a headshot on him with that lag. Holy shit. I'm going to send you guys that video.
Seriously?
Jesus Christ.
That's again.
I think his dick reside.
One kill.
I think his dick went back inside.
Okay, one. Dead.
None.
See?
One bullet.
I literally have a curse right now. I'm only
This
allowed to
fucker
get
knows
one
where I
kill
am. I
alive.
swear to God. This
Hey, what the
Whatever.
is... You
heck?
want to know where I am?
We've taken the advantage.
I got
You're
team
gonna have to
kill.
pay for the Find Me DLC.
Exactly. The fucking perma UAV on my ass.
Are you freaking kidding me? I'm stuck on a 1-in-1 deal right now. Like, I cannot get past.
Oh shit. Oh, I thought I killed a teammate by accident.
Killed it.
Yes!
You robbed me of my...
2 kills! I did it!
What a fucking achievement, man. Where's the medal? I forgot where I put it.
Where's the winner medal?
I'm a wiener. Oh my god, this guy's accuracy is so bad. Boppo the clown has like no fucking accuracy.
Who's that little boy? Oh, hey, almost off. The Jacob Cole guy. That little boy's a little punk. He's just so. Hey, how old are you?
Excellent.
I'm 13.
Enemies.
Well, I'm sorry, but that little kid just wrecked your whole team. So I wouldn't be talking if I was y'all. Y'all got freaking wrecked, like bad.
I did.
Y'all is not a word if you didn't know.
Y'all
Conch.
That's not.
South. We're in the South, of course. It's a word to us.
I'm not in the South, so you're
I'm
wrong.
in yours. Kill him.
Okay, great for you. Wow, you want an achievement or something, dude?
Oh, you're
Like-
racist. You're racist. Cause you're in the.
Yeah, I'm racist. I know. I live in the South.
Yeah. You like that blue and white flag with like an X.
Are you
on
talking about the rebel flag?
We have the lead.
it? Yeah.
Why does everybody think that's a
Now,
that's a
guys,
nigger
you're so
flag?
stupid.
Like that's not that's not even what it stands for.
Yeah.
If you would actually pay attention to social studies,
Ow,
the rebel flag is not
I
a nigger
got A
flag.
plus in social studies. I got high honors. Cause I listened to my teacher.
Well, great for you. What are you, like a nerd or something? You sure do sound
No,
like
I'm not
one.
really. I'm not.
I can picture you with buck teeth, wood braces, and big glasses. That's what I. That's what I
Good job.
picture you.
I
as.
have braces, but I don't have buck teeth. That's you.
Both of y'all shut
Like
up.
a hillbilly.
Someone's
Like a
hacking in the
hillbilly. I
game.
mean, my bad.
Buck teeth. How do I have buck? Like, how do you know what I look like?
How do you know how I look like?
I said I picture you. I didn't say you look like. I said I picture
Oh,
you.
okay. You proved me wrong. Good job. You earned a sticker. Game might suck, but me and my friend are a FaZe. We're FaZe.
No, you're not. No,
Dude,
we
you have to be
are.
17 and 0. I've met the real FaZe clan. You have to be 17 and 0 to join the clan.
No, you get it.
What? Are you just putting that to try to look cool? Cause
Yeah.
the way you're talking right now, ain't nobody gonna like that, bro.
sounds like
You're
you-
making the FaZe
No,
clan look bad.
but look. You might have you never.
But you're
met,
making the
like,
FaZe
Adapt.
clan look bad. You're
You
making the
never
FaZe
met-
clan look like
You
they got a
never
bunch of
met,
nerds in
like,
it.
Adapt, FaZe Adapt, and stuff like that. You might have met FaZe Adoption, but not
What?
FaZe Adapt.
What are you
I
talking
was on
about?
YouTube. I will go on
Oh my God.
Like-
YouTube right now.
Like the real FaZe is really good.
Messi player.
Like me?
I will search on YouTube. I
No.
will search on player.
The real FaZe clan would whoop all of us, guarantee it right now.
Through that.
They're actually pretty.
They wouldn't
Yes,
want me
yeah.
because I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm too good for them. Too cool for
Oh
them
yeah,
too.
you're so good, but we just wrecked your team last game.
Yeah,
Last game, yeah, that was last game. That was like a whole 6 minutes
We
ago.
can't kill you because we're on the same team.
Yeah, if we was against y'all, dude, we'd be wrecking y'all right now.
No, you wouldn't. Alright, what's your
Dude,
score
okay,
right now?
so what
What's your
about last
score?
game?
What's your-
What about last
what's
game?
your- What's your
Why you
score
gotta
right
why you
now?
gotta spit, bro? Why you gotta spit? I know you're spitting all up in your mic, dude. Why you gotta spit? You ain't gotta do that. Get it out your mouth.
I don't sweat. I don't spit on my mic. I try really nice.
Why
and
you
clean.
stuttering, bro? Stutter still?
I think he's in special.
Oh, what's wrong, bro? Why you
Not
stuttering?
telling me.
First of all, I have speech
Why you
impediment.
stuttering?
I'm pretty sure.
Don't you mean speaking problems?
It's called
I
a
do,
speaking impediment.
I have that too, kind of.
Enemy, you.
Oh, we're like
I'm
brothers.
straight.
I do. I can talk. It's just my Oz. Like I can't even say Oz.
We've lost the lead.
Oh, we're kind of like brothers then. Both like different
No, we're
things.
not brothers.
That's gay.
Aw. You're gay.
How am I gay,
Oh,
bro?
where'd you go-
I
where'd
bet
you
y'all
go
pull
say
way
that?
more girls than you.
Boy, I got 6 girlfriends at one time.
Yeah, fat girls.
Like your mom.
Dude, my mom's not fat. You can ask Jacob.
He's not.
Who's Jacob?
Jacob Cole, the one you're talking to, you retard? God, you're
Oh,
so
yeah.
stupid, dude. Oh my lord.
Smarter than you.
You sure you're in honors? You sure you're in honors, bro? Cause it's not sounding like it.
Wait, you wanna see my report card?
No, I'm not your teacher, bro, or your parent. I really don't care about you, bro.
Yeah, I got all this.
Yes, you do. You know if I like, I would like watch.
Dude, why do I care
You're
about you?
stupid.
Why do I care about you?
Look at me.
We got the.
See, look, we just lost cause y'all's
Oh, there you
retard
go.
was on our team.
Yeah, I see you, FaZe. I see you.
Actually, I was carrying the whole team, but you guys weren't even trying.
Yeah, you was at the top of the leaderboard, alright. Your name All-Star Slayer?
I came back
Telling
to
you.
You went 15 and 9. I went 14 and 8.
Telephono caller.
Oh, telephono.
You say it mixed.
Damn.
I don't think Mexican's a language.
I was hoping somebody would.
It's a religion. Get it right.
It's a religion. their god is a taco.
That's... Oh god. Guacamole is love. Guacamole is life.
Mole is love, mole is life.
Okay, they're not in their spawn, they're already out.
Fuck me. In between garages, smokestack.
That's where you want it, you got it.
That literally. I just heard that.
Well, at least you picked a specific spot.
Kill.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you where you wanted
There
it. Dang it, All-Star, I swear.
Mwah. Well, aliens had it for the past 2. It's not my fault.
I haven't had one.
I was trying to get the headshot on this guy, but he started moving.
Why are you using that sight?
Because I'm going for headshots.
That way you have to get headshots.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
33 and 9. Oh, he beat you, Psycho.
He beat me, but I was higher up because I had more.
Confirms. Congratulations. You want a cookie?
Turn down the weed.
Smoke weed. Smoke weed.